Hello, everyone. Curious about how vacation rentals transform cozy homes into bustling businesses? It's more than booking guests. It's a vibrant set of strategies that revive a timeless model. And we're sharing fun money facts for kids, teens, and adults. Welcome to Profit Unveiled, your guide to business success. Let's explore how vacation rental managers lock in wealth with innovation and care. Picture a charming town buzzing with travelers. A manager buys a small rental firm for $100,000 and modernizes it, booking homes via smart apps for a 20% commission. That's right, 20%. With a laptop and local ties, they start fast and build a steady client base. That's the first key: seamless bookings that keep properties full. Take Sarah, a teacher seeking a weekend getaway. She books a cozy cabin through an app, and the manager earns $60 on a $300 stay. Sarah's thrilled, the owner's paid, and more guests arrive. That 20% commission, often 15 to 25% based on services or region, lets anyone with organizing skills jump in. You can acquire a firm for $50,000 to $300,000, learn from free online courses, and make rentals a community gem. Managers book rentals with smart apps and unlock steady business fast. That seamless key opens profit doors. Now, they launch dynamic pricing with AI tools. A $50 monthly platform adjusts rates to demand, streamlining bookings for higher returns. It spots peak seasons, lifting rates 10% without losing guests. Consider Mark, a retiree renting his lake house. The manager uses AI to price his stay at $400, earning $80 commission in minutes. Mark's calendar fills, and the platform's automation frees the manager to grow their list, a tactic anyone can master with tech blogs or tutorials. Next, they offer guest add-ons to enhance stays. A $100 welcome kit with local treats nets $80 profit after $20 in costs. It's a warm touch that builds loyalty. Lisa, a tourist, buys a kit for her family's cabin trip. The manager sources goods in 30 minutes, boosting Lisa's experience with local flavor. These kits, simple to arrange through nearby shops, turn rentals into memorable visits, drawing repeat guests and word-of-mouth buzz. Managers add $100 kits and spark guest joy fast. That warm touch locks in loyalty quick. Ready for a clever move? Micromanagement splits tasks for $50 per job. Cleaning or check-ins done right keep properties pristine. Dan, a homeowner, pays $50 for a guest turnover. The manager coordinates it in 15 minutes, using apps to sync local crews, a system learnable online. This service fills gaps, ensuring smooth stays and happy owners, a strategy that scales with demand. How about review systems? A $25 guest feedback tool boosts ratings, netting $20 profit after $5 in tech. Jane, a frequent renter, leaves a 5-star review via app. The manager uses insights to tweak listings, lifting bookings by 15%. This tool, easy to set up with free guides, keeps properties competitive, turning guest input into a growth engine. Local partnerships wrap it up. $75 per tie-in with tour guides doubles bookings, netting $60 profit after $15 effort. 5 partnerships spark $300 in an hour. Picture Emma, a guide, offering rental tour deals. They split $75 per promo, and the manager adds 10 new $300 bookings, weaving rentals into the town's heart. Vacation rentals don't just host, they build wealth. Start yours with smart bookings, dynamic pricing, guest kits, micromanagement, review tools, and partnerships. With tech and passion, your keys can stack success. Love these facts? Subscribe. We're sharing profit tips weekly, so stay inspired.